Vienna city, and we want to go into German Flakturm bunker, where is the Haus des Meeres, so some fishes. Yeah, and I want to show you how the Austrian people changed this bunker, this German World War II bunker, to attraction. So let's go and enjoy it with me. Here is the entrance, there and up. Wait a minute, you can see the position for anti-aircraft gun. It's up there. It's a really nice building, really huge. There you can see another position on this turret for a Flak 88 aircraft, anti-aircraft gun. It's really nice, really nice. I'm really surprised how this building, it's not a bunker now, but it's a Aqua Zoo. Also absolut unglaublich, das da. Super. So we want to visit it. I hope I can make a videos inside. And it's really great, really huge building. It's not only one in Vienna city. They have more here, so we need to check it closely. Absolutely amazing. It's Aqua City in German bunker. That's weird, but here you can see the propaganda pictures from the Second World War. So you can believe me, we are in a German bunker. It's absolutely weird. This is Luftschutzes. Yeah, and there I can see it. Wait a minute. That's the German bunker, this Flakturm. Really weird. Wow. Awesome. This all in one German bunker. Really great idea. Yummy. So much snakes here. Look at that. And also we have spiders here. Whoa. And the giant frogs. Awesome.
Oh my god.
Michelangelo, Leonardo, Donatello. Pure jungle in German bunker. That's weird. It's really weird, guys. It's a really awesome idea. Really nice. I really love it. What the heck? Such a big turtle. Look at that. What the heck? This is really weird that you are in jungle inside German bunker. It's an absolutely great idea. Hey guys in Austria, hands up for this. It's really nice. Whoa, the bird flying over here and some sweet little monkey. Whoa, that's really great.
Hello, my friend. What are you doing here? Why do you film me? Stop with filming. Damn! Stop with filming!
What the heck? Look at that. Come on, come on. Boom. There we have some historical pictures. How they built this huge bunker. Going upstairs. There you can see the German Flakturm or German anti-aircraft turret. There you can see the radar station. Awesome, awesome. Here is the turret. There is the second turret. Okay. And here you can see how massive and how huge is this bunker. Amazing. It's closed, but you can see a really awesome relic. There is a German K98 rifle. Here is the Iron Fist, the Panzerfaust weapon, some rocket, and the huge bombs here. And some nice pictures and casings, really great. But we cannot go inside because it's closed today. That's really sad. For this I go here and it's closed, but okay. Something nice I can see also here. Really awesome. So now I go up on the roof. And here you can see the whole Vienna city, like in hands. watching, guys. This was my adventure to German anti-aircraft turret rebuild to Aqua City. Absolutely amazing, amazing. I really love it. We are on the roof. I see the second turret, and hope you enjoy it. And next time we see us by new metal detecting videos. So check my Instagram for more pictures from my trips, and if I find something interesting like this, because I think this you can see only in Vienna city. So go and plan a trip for visiting this amazing city. Okay guys, so we see us next time by the new adventures. So enjoy it with me.